Major.
What's good, people? You already know it's Saberman, top tier, you know the vibes. And this is actually my first video of 2021. Before we get into the video, I just want to show you guys something I got from Omar Luxuries. Right now I'm even wearing the bracelets that go with it. This is the watch. It's quite pretty. I'm going to put the link in the description. You guys can check it out. Use my code, you know, for a little discount. But yeah, today, as you guys can see from the title of the video, we are going to be talking about how to set goals and achieve them. How exactly? I'm gonna give you guys 5 steps on how to set goals and achieve them. Before we get into the video, I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and let's go, let's get it. So guys, how are we setting goals and achieving them? So the first thing I would say we need to do is have a vision. If you don't have a vision, then where exactly are you going? Like, it doesn't really make sense. But if you have a vision, you've got an idea at least of where you want to be, and you may not know how you're getting there, but at least you have a vision of what you want to do. So number 1 is have a vision. Number 2 is find an example. You see, a lot of people, they, instead of, what's it called? Some people have already failed in life. People have made mistakes, this and that. And whether it's starting a business, whether it's anything, they've already failed. So learn from the example, learn from the things that they've failed, so that you don't also have to go through that stage of failure. Of course, you're still gonna fail in certain areas, but at least you're 1 step ahead of the other person who's not got an example to copy. Number 3. What's number 3? Guys, I was literally making these up on the spot, you know. Number 3, find the resources. This could be anything. So yeah guys, finding the resources is very important. So you want to get fit at home, you would need to get the equipment, you need to get supplements, HERBALIFE, bit of everything, to be honest. Like, you're not going to be able to progress into your planning stage unless you've got the things there to actually execute the plan. Do you feel me? If it's starting your own clothing brand, starting your own lashes, you need to actually find a manufacturer who produces what you want so you can supply it. You can't supply without the resource, without the product. There you go. Number 4 is planning. You need to start planning. Once you've got the resources, once you've got the vision, once you've got the example of where you want to be, who you want to do, what you want to do, start planning. When are you gonna release it? Have a date. Sometimes it's good when you're working towards a date. Yeah, sometimes it's good to work towards a date, because once you've got a date, it's like, you know that every day is basically calculated. Even if it's step by step, even if it's little by little, you're working on it. So whether it's self-improvement, whether it's working towards your dream job, dream whatever it is, yeah, literally you need to have a plan, have a date, have a just something that, and write it down. Don't just say, oh, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, oh, I'm gonna become this, I'm gonna become that. Because if you're not writing it down, like, you have no visual evidence. Like, sometimes you need to be accountable. It's a way of staying accountable for what you need to be doing. Whereas if you're just saying it out loud, you're saying it out loud, but you've got no reference to look back on to tell you exactly what you need to do. And it'll make you procrastinate. Number 5, guys, is to execute. So once you've planned, you've got your idea, you've got your vision, you've got your resources, you've just got to execute. So if you've done your planning well, your execution plan will be, yeah, top tier, baby, top tier. So yeah, so obviously there's more things in between of each step, but if you've got these steps patterned, the execution plan is, there's no failure. It's a guarantee you'll get there. say for example, if I wanted to start an eyelash brand or whatever it is, if I so yeah, for example, if I wanted to start my own eyelash brand, the first thing is actually having the vision. You have to believe that it can go far. It's not just going to be, maybe even if it's just a local thing, side hustle to make you money, but let's be real, if you've got a side hustle, it's because you want to make it. You want an extra source of income.
You just burped in the video.
But you didn't hear that. Oh my gosh.
Hey, my man, is he buzzing? Hey, is he fried?
So yeah, for example, if you wanted to start an eyelash brand, first thing is having a vision. Once you've got the vision, there's loads of other people who have been successful, and you can just literally take their template. It's like taking a template. How do they post? How do they promote? What's the marketing plan? How much maybe do they invest into actually marketing? What else? What type of people are they using? Are they using influencers to endorse it? Are they using celebrities? What are they doing that you can do that is realistic and within your means, that you can actually invest into it? The next thing, as we said, is getting the resources. Once you've done that, you've done your little research, you can now look, how do I get a good amount of supply and still be able to maximize your profits? Once you start looking into these things, your business plan, it will just be successful. That's what I'm saying, guarantee. But yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And it's not only in terms of business. As I said, it could be self-improvement, it can be literally getting fitter, it could be working towards, what's it called, bringing peace within the family. How would you do that? By literally starting small, bit by bit. These are a few books I've read and I definitely recommend. Anyways guys, that was the roundup of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys want to see more videos, just talks, fitness, anything you want, stay subscribed, like, comment, share. You guys know the vibes, and make sure you turn on the post notifications so that anytime I upload a video, y'all can see it. Like, yeah. But yeah guys, we out. Top tier, you know the vibes.